So, hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of the project idea series for the college assignments or projects or any of the courses of Android. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the grocery delivery or grocery shopping app ideas. So, just for demonstration, I have taken the name of the grocery app is named the Fresh Basket. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. What are the basically if you are going to provide a solution of any of the application, so first of all we have what the challenges our customer or in market, what the things that the trouble that the customer is facing. So first of all, what the challenges that the traditional grocery shopping has are lengthy checkout line, limited availability of products, difficulty in tracking expenses, lack of personalized recommendation, that we are also in this idea we are going to solve this problem. So let's move to the next slide. What are the advantages for the user? Extensive products catalog with the real-time updates. First of all, like if there are any other projects products in your shop, you can just mention it, and you can update the real-time updates, like if the product is available in the grocery shop or not. Convenient search and filter option, like we have also implemented the search and filter option, which is convenient for our users. Seamless checkout process and secure payment option, like we have to integrate some of the payment applications like Razor Pay, Just Pay, or any of the other payment gateway, so we can which will be safe and secure for the payment taking for the grocery shop. Personalized recommendation based on the user preference and purchase history, so we can also check the data like the preferences and the purchase history of a candidate or our customer, so that we can see a personalized recommendation based on their preferences. So if you have any idea and you want to implement with us, so we can also able to help you. You can just email us on the contact@codersarts.com. So thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.